One of the features available on our lenses is called an anti-reflective coating, but I like to refer to it as a no-glare coating. Kind of easier to think of it that way. And so what that coating does is it helps increase the amount of good light coming through the lens into the eye and decreases the amount of bad light or light that comes in from the side or at odd angles into our eye and can create more glare for us. Here at Lee Optical we use the top of the line no-glare coatings. One of those is called Sapphire. And so this Sapphire No-Glare Coating does a fantastic job, again, of helping us see better. Now, the coating is great for any prescription, but it's especially important for those that have a stronger prescription, because those stronger prescriptions have a thicker lens or require a thicker lens, which means you're going to get more distortion and more problems with light coming in through those thicker edges of the lens. And so that no glare is so very important on those stronger prescriptions. But it has great value on any prescription, so we encourage everyone to have that on their lenses. In this area of no glare coatings, obviously some are better than others. And so the cheaper, not as good coatings, what they do is they just dip them and they don't stay on as well. You may have had problems with lenses in the past where the coating came off right away or it bubbled up and you had problems with it. And when that happens, it really affects how you see. You just can't see clearly through the lens. So this Sapphire no-glare coating that we use here at Elite Optical is put through a very intense number of steps in order to assure that that lens coating is going to remain intact and do what it's supposed to do, and that is provide good, clear vision. And we have the very best here at Elite Optical.